Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Carter in North Carolina on this present Lincoln 2 Plus. Carter, got it ready to go for you, bud. Tune alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, and the ERF 2030 Plus MOSFETs in the final section. It's going to give you all kinds of durability. It comes with FQP 13N10s. That's okay on the driver's side. It actually drives the 2030 Plus as well. But the FQP 13N10s just don't fare too well in the final section, and actually see a little bit of harmonics with those. So let's just get right to it. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug, half a watt all the way down like you requested. Roll it all the way up. Hair over 5 watts, 100-watt slug. Let's go to average power. Low, 24, 25 bird. Peak power. Low, and 55 watts peak. Alright, Carter's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy it. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.